Hi, this is Jared Polak, founder of Entre Results, a dynamic business coaching company that's growing quickly. I just want to give a shout out and thank you to RevGrow for all their help in helping us grow our practice. Before meeting RevGrow, I did understand LinkedIn to a certain degree, but I had so many questions, so many things that I didn't have answers to, and that's why I reached out to RevGrow. Also, we're very relational, and there are so many things out there in LinkedIn marketing that are cheesy, that are insincere, and they just don't fit the culture of Entre Results at all, because we're very relational oriented. And RevGrow, they care about serving people. They're relationship oriented, but at the same time, they're also metric driven, and they believe a lot about giving results, not just fuzzy feel good. So I really love the connection with RevGrow. And immediately from the information I learned, actually, even before I became a paying customer, already got a business as a direct result of the information and the strategy that they had specifically on LinkedIn. And then as I think through as a paying client, I project that it'll be a 20 to 40% return on my investment alone. So anyway, huge fan of RevGrow. If you have not connected with them, I'd recommend at least having a conversation with them, because every conversation you have, you walk away with tips that can help you. And honestly, even if I didn't become a paying client with them, I would have walked away with some good information. So just wanted to give a shout out to RevGrow, and they're going to help you grow your business just like they did mine.